I have one more wreath that I want to put up in my kitchen this time, and it's this one. And I thrifted this one last year and I used it up because it needed a lot of love, but it's lost a couple of its adornments in storage. So I just need to replace a couple of items and then it'll be ready to go on the wall. But before I get that started, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into it. I just need to use this up just a little bit, and just a few of the little pieces fell off when not that one, but these. When I unpacked it, a few things fell off, and I can see some of the things that I put on it last year. I put this on, that, and that sunflower, which is right here. I put those on. This apple was already on there. So I just need to add a couple little things and then I will put it on the wall. I'll show you where it's going to go. I've got these two pictures here of my little granddaughters, and I thought I would take them down for fall and put a wreath there, but then those pictures will go back up for the Christmas holiday because of course the red frames are just right in season. So I'm going to take them down for now. And the wreath will go in their place. I just posted a video yesterday in a collaboration with Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi and Lindsay at Domer Home, and it was called Fall Farmhouse or something like that, but the whole idea was to get our fall decor on. And if you missed that video, I'll link it below so you can check it out. But you'll see where I did a few other little tweaks in my kitchen for fall. I think that one was like right there. And I wouldn't mind another sunflower because I love sunflowers. Let me grab one. So let's see. This way is up. So if I have one sunflower here, maybe here. You know, I don't think it needs another sunflower. Actually, it doesn't need another sunflower, so I don't think I will do that. Yeah, this one got just a little beat up in storage, but not too badly. Right here. And I think that's all it needs. So now I can put it on the wall. Oh, looks like something else has just kind of dropped off of it, but I think it'll be okay. So I'll just put it on the wall and I will be done. So now let's get it up on the wall. I think I like it. I think I like it. So let me take this opportunity to thank Pam at Creative Homescaping for hosting this collaboration. She decided to issue a seasonal wreath challenge, and this one is for fall, and she just wanted us to put a wreath somewhere in our home that we had to tweak just a little bit. And this is one that I picked up last year thrifting and used it up. And then, as I said earlier, it got just a little bit banged up in storage, and so I had to tweak it just a little bit again. But overall, it looks pretty darn good, and I'm real pleased with the way it looks on the wall right there. If you are not familiar with Pam at Creative Homescaping, you are missing out. She hosts a Tablescape Tuesday quarterly, and she does a lot of other things related to home design and home decor. So I will link her channel below so you can check her out, and she will also have a playlist available so that you can see what all the other creators have done, and I will link that below when it's available as well. And if you like this video, be sure and go back and check on the one that I posted yesterday, which was my fall farmhouse tweaks in my kitchen. I think you will enjoy that one. And if you're thinking fall, you're probably thinking Thanksgiving. And if that's the case, then you want to be sure to check out my Thanksgiving 101 playlist. In that playlist, I show you all the good stuff. How to roast a turkey, how to make cornbread dressing or stuffing, depending upon what area of the country you're from, how to make collard greens, and I'm also going to be making some new dishes to go in there as Thanksgiving side dishes for this Thanksgiving. So be sure and check that out. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, it's Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.